Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Xbox app not downloading games on Windows 11. First, we will clear the Microsoft Store cache. Click on the Start button and open the Run box. In the Run box, type WS Reset and press Enter. A blank window will open for a few seconds. When it closes, the Microsoft Store will open automatically. After that, restart your PC. Next, we will repair and reset the Xbox app. Click on Start and open Settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll down and find the Xbox app. Click on the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. First, click on Repair and wait for it to finish. If the issue is still there, click on Reset. This will sign you out of the app, but it can fix download problems. Now we will check the required services. Press the Windows key and type Services and press Enter. In the list, find Windows Update. Make sure it is set to running. If not, right-click on it and click Start. Do the same for the Microsoft Install service. Then look for Gaming Services. If it is not running, start it as well. If Gaming Services is missing or not working correctly, restarting it usually helps. After completing all these steps, restart your computer one more time. Open the Xbox app and try downloading the game again. In most cases, the download should now work normally. Thanks for watching.